Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to our channel again. Smaga English Podcast The Pioneers. With me, Mr. Jayden. Well, today is Friday, August the 1st, 2025, and we just go home from our school and still about at 2:30 p.m. here. And here we would like to have some practicing. We have to some conversation about our daily activities. And then now I have a guest. There are two boys here. They are my students here. And then I would like them to introduce themselves. Come on, from you.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Febrian Bisorosmono. I am from Smaga, class 12.
Well, what? One of you?
12.
Okay, and then you.
My name is Sanggata Mardika. You can call me Kaka. I'm from 12-1.
12-1. Kaka, where do you live?
I live in Rumandra Semeru, which is a neighbor
Yeah.
from Mr. Uniel
Yeah.
and from you, of course.
Yeah. Actually, you are my neighbor because you are closer to me than to Mr. Juniel. Yeah. What about you, Rian? Where do you live?
I live at Perumahan Tukumda
Okay.
from Tukum, and I'm neighbor with Samuel Kayos.
Somewhere. Okay. I still remember about me. Yeah. Because when he still in the first class, I teach him in the mathematics. Yeah. Okay. Now, just information that for the last time, it's about a month ago maybe. Yeah. You, both of you, joined to the English debate competition in Lumajang, and then I would like you to tell about the competition and then what is the result from you here.
Okay, from my experience with joining the debate, first of all, I feel anxious, and then because we didn't have enough training.
How many days do you prepare?
We only prepare like for a week or
4 weeks?
Yeah, a week.
A week, yeah, only a week, yeah.
A week. And it's only like 3 times, and we are unprepared. Yeah. And
Who trained you, the English teacher here?
we got trained by Miss Hawa and Miss Sophia.
Okay, still Miss, yeah? Miss Alma and Miss Sophia, not Mrs. Yeah? Only Mrs. Yuni here, and Mrs. Masuro maybe have other Mrs. Okay, and then? Only 4 days.
Yeah, around four times.
4
times
times.
meetings.
Oh, 4 times meeting with them, with the teacher,
Yeah.
to prepare about the English debate competition. What about you, Kaka? Your preparation?
I think it's the same as Ryan, which is our first experience.
Yeah, first experience,
to
yeah.
join the debate competition, and it was very funny because we couldn't get serious, and when we get trained by Miss Sophia, we couldn't get serious. We laughed all the time, and still on the day when the competition is coming, we still doesn't know what are we going to prepare. So I think it's just wow, it's something that we unexpected.
Yeah, okay. What is the topic of the debate?
From what I can remember, it's all about social life.
Social life, yeah. Okay, what is exactly the topic of the title?
I kind of forgot, but most of it, it talks about our social life, like, changing
Changing the weather?
capital city.
Okay,
What
capital
things-
city.
Yeah, so we will debate about capital city,
Mhm.
why it got relocated, and then the other stuff is all about social life and
Social life.
politics.
And then you're in the good side or the bad side?
We got chosen by the judgment.
By the referee, by the judge, yeah?
Yeah, the judge.
Okay.
So the judge will choose which team is the proposition team and the opposition team. So
Okay.
it's random. It depends on the jury.
Okay, good. And what about you, Raka? When the debate contest is going on, what is the problem from you?
I think the problem is when I get face to face when the opposite team or the enemy's team is.
Who is your enemy from Standard High School 1 or 2?
I think I remember when I facing the enemies from Assyrian, which is it's very hard because
From Standard High School or Vocational High School?
Senior high school.
Standard High School, yeah. Because if Vocational High School, that is my own SMK for the former time. And what's the problem?
It is my confidence.
Yeah.
I think when I speak or I forget. I don't really master the materials like the motion of the topic.
Socialize in
Yeah.
capital city, yeah. And then?
But I still can speak. I still can delivering the message. Why I support this? Why I against with this opinion?
Yes, the most important from the debate contest, usually, although we are in the bad side or in the good side, the most important is you can defend. You can defend about your opinion about the bad side or the good side. As long as you can defend your opinion about it, the juries, the judge will give you the good grade. One. And then how many periods do you have the debate competition?
Around 4.
4, yeah.
So the first one is the spacing, month, if I'm not wrong. And then the Assyrian, and then the semi-final is
Semi-final with Standard High School.
oh yeah, SMA,
Senior.
senior high school 1.
One macam, okay. And then you win, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the final?
The final is with senior high school 1.
Okay.
I forgot. So we
With another group maybe, yeah.
No, I forgot what. So at the summer final it's Pasarian and final is senior high school 1.
Oh, okay. SMA 1, okay.
And we actually didn't win our team, but we obtained the best speaker because our team wasn't valid because we are only 2 people in the group who's registered, and the 1 people is just replacement.
So, although you are not the champion in the debate, English debate competition, but you get another title, yeah. You are the best speaker for the second place,
Yeah.
and then Kakak in the
Third.
Okay, so congratulations for both of you because you are successful to make our school has a good name of English debate competition in Indonesia. What is your planning for the next? Kakak. What is your planning to improve your English, for example?
I think my planning is I'm still studying English. I still speak English.
Yeah.
I train my pronouns.
Yeah.
I will learning more vocabulary.
Yeah, okay, good.
Because after senior high school, I will go to college.
Okay. What department will you take for the university? What department?
It's kind of complicated.
What about you, Rian? For the next year, what department will you take for the university, for example? English department?
I'm still confused.
Confused, yeah.
I'm still confused, but my dream is to go to Australia.
Okay.
I want to go to other nations.
Yeah, abroad, yeah.
Abroad.
Okay. And then, do you still remember when our new headmaster for the first time standing in front of you when we have a flag ceremony? He has a hard message for the student. If you want to be success in university and you will get a good university, never forget to try master the English, yeah. Do you know about TOEFL test? Do you know about TOEFL test?
Oh yeah,
Yeah. Have you ever tried?
I haven't tried.
It is better for you, both of you, starting now, try about TOEFL in order to make you know about what is TOEFL test, and then you will prepare about the material of the TOEFL test. Because the information from abroad, if if you want to have a broad university, minimum you must have 500 score for the TOEFL, minimum that one. And 500 score for the TOEFL, it will not be enough for you to study in 1 month. 1 month is not enough to study about TOEFL if you never know about TOEFL yet. But if you ever got the TOEFL test, I think 1 month is enough for you. I'm not conceited, yeah. I'm not proud, ya. Saya tidak sombong, ya. Although I am mathematics teacher, actually I have 5 certificates of TOEFL test, and then my score has been 500 score and more. But you know the certificate is only for 1 year. So after 1 year it will be expired. So you must get one. For the last TOEFL for me is about 2011 maybe, and it will be very forget for me, yeah, to remember again about it. And when I try to improve it by having some TOEFL test again, yeah, sometimes I have no time for that. But if you want to study more about TOEFL, maybe I can help you. For example, about the book, maybe, yeah, and about the exercises, or maybe about, I have a special book. It is about the trick of TOEFL. I have one for some day maybe if you want to have that one, yeah. Okay, and for the last question, what is an advice for your younger class here for the next English debate competition?
My advice is to join our club. Maybe we can help there.
Are you active in the club?
I'm going to be active with it.
Yeah. What about you, Kak?
I think I said this earlier.
Yeah.
I'm going to be active too. My advice, I think, is just be yourself.
Yeah.
Be confident. Don't matter what people say about you.
Okay.
This is my advice from less.
Okay. After this, our recording, I will send the recording in our group, and then I will send it to you. And don't be shy to share this video to your friend to make them motivated. Yeah. Maybe they can imitate both of you to join in our club. The podcast is including the way how to improve your English, the one. Because we are real time ya ini ya. Ini real time ini. There is no scenario for this one. I just asked you about what about the competition and this one. There is no preparation, is that right? We just prepare about the schedule, yeah. Okay, we will have a podcast for the next Friday, this one. Okay, Ahmad? How many minutes?
Dan 30.
13. I think it's enough, yeah. It's maximum is 15 minutes. Well, I think it's enough for our podcast today. Thank you for Rian and thank you for Kakak for having podcast with us. We are the admin of our podcast is Rahmat from 1210. Yeah, if you want to join this podcast or you want to become our guest here, just call Rahmat from 1210. Yeah, I think it's enough for today. Thank you for coming. Thank you for attention. See you next meeting and have a nice day. Or maybe have a nice weekend. Yeah, have a nice weekend. Okay, see you. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.